keep trying to phase this bad boy out, but you won't let us. And I'm gonna explain to you today why dispos suck, why they are a remnant of the past, why they are a fossil we need to remove, and why they're affecting our environment so harshly. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna talk about why dispos suck. You can have issues with your heating, your battery, and there's no real way to fix it. You get what you get with a dispo. It's really hard to control all the factors that can make a product work properly, and this bad boy can sometimes be a little complicated. God, I get so sweaty in here. Not to mention, it does get more expensive. There is a slight increase in the cost for a disposable versus buying a cart or a pod. And if you get our pod kit, you'll have the battery and you can get all our different range of pods to load on that bad boy. The future is pods and carts. This is more of a remnant of the past that still carries on into today and now into the future. This is the 22nd century, looking you in the face, ready for you. Buy it. In the future, there will only be pod. Perfect airflow, perfect temperature setting, all dialed in by our scientists and mathematicians here at Modern Herb Co. for your perfect pleasure and enjoyment. This is the way to smoke live resin, uncut, liquid diamonds, all of the above. Watch the flavor you get right out of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on, baby. That didn't even work. That was gonna be so cool too. All right, peel the sticker first. Fuck. Yeah, that was way cooler, see? Perfect airflow, beautiful flavor, perfect hit every time. That's why pods are the thing of the future. We truly believe this. I think it will reduce our e-waste overall, extending the use of your battery and just swapping for different pods, I think is the way to go. Highlights, our black sheep, our uncut, and our liquid diamonds runs, and that's 1 and 2 gram pods, all fit in this bad boy. So you could have one battery with a multitude of pods, reducing your e-waste and in your environmental impacts overall. So I think this is the way to go. And they look pretty cute too. They fit nice in your pocket, travel well, and you can sneak these into concerts pretty easily. So unlike carts, which are fantastic, don't get me wrong, like the ability to use different batteries is great, but the beauty in the pod kit is this battery is fine-tuned for our hardware. Proprietary stuff for our stuff, okay? So you're gonna get the best of everything if you just go this route. It's very little cost up front compared to buying these over and over and over again. So a little bit of investment up front gets you your battery, your pod kit, and now you're good to go. All you have to do is order pods from here on out. So some of the major benefits of carts, they're standard. Your 510 cart is the standard across the industry. You can get batteries everywhere. They're pretty low cost, investment. Some of the downsides though, you will run into more of the issues of wicking problems, sometimes leaky carts, sometimes burnt tastes, just again, depending on the type of battery you're using. Whereas with the pod, again, this is engineered to give you a perfect hit every single time. You will never burn the oil in here. You will never get a burnt, crappy taste. It will always be smooth and wonderful. And if you are a connoisseur and you know the perfect temp and the perfect airflow, by all means, go with the cart because you know what you're doing. You're already in the game. Good on you, soldier. I am a cart guy and a pod guy, but I know what I'm doing with the hardware, and I still burn my carts quite often. So I will say there are trade-offs. So this is a wonderful product. You can be versatile with it. It's universal across the industry, so you can use it on any battery again, but I still think the pod kit is the way.